blocking DHT is that it can slow or stop hair loss and is the most effective way to treat thinning of hair. Natural ingredients such as pumpkin seed oil, coconut oil, saw palmetto extract, neem leaves extract, green tea extract, rosemary extract and amla seed. Most of them are available in our home or in the nearby market. These are really good for making your hair thick and healthy and also promote hair regrowth. Now let's go through the benefits of natural DHT blockers. Pumpkin seed, it has amino acid that helps in hair growth. Coconut oil, it has nourishing properties, tame frizz and heals breakage. Saw palmetto, it helps in increasing hair density. Neem leaves, averts premature graying of hair and relieves itchy scalp. Green tea, strengthens the hair follicles. Rosemary, stimulates scalp circulation for regrowth. Amla seeds make hair shinier and softer. Isn't it amazing?